with artificial intelligence.
About how artificial intelligence.
The AI is
set to dominate.
Artificial intelligence is...
Today, the word neural network is everywhere. Some promise the end of jobs, others promise the end of drudgery. Let's strip away the mystique and lay it out clearly. What AI and neural networks are, how they work, where they came from, what they're good for, and where the risks are. By the end of this video, you'll have a practical mental model, not a bag of scary headlines. 3 questions fuel the chaos. What is this exactly? Is AI a robot, an algorithm, or just marketing? How does it work under the hood? Why does a neural network guess so convincingly? Should we be afraid? Where's the real value, and where's just hype and risk? If your answer to any of these is, well, kind of, you're in the right place. Let's go. Artificial intelligence is a field of computer science that builds systems to perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence, understanding speech and text, recognizing patterns, making decisions, and generating content. A neural network is one method within AI. Many simple computational nodes, neurons, connected in layers. They take in data, transform it, and learn from examples. Not a brain, not magic. Mathematics and statistics on steroids. How do neural networks learn? Through error minimization. We show examples. Input arrow, correct answer. The network makes a mistake, and an algorithm called gradient descent adjusts the weights so it's less wrong next time. Repeat thousands or millions of times, and the network generalizes patterns. Key classes in plain terms. Classic ML. Linear models, decision trees, boosting. Great when data is moderate and interpretability matters. Deep neural networks. Many layers, big data. Excellent for images, audio, and text. Convolutional networks, CV. Extract features from images, edges, shapes, structures. Recurrent/transformers, NLP. Handle sequences. Today, transformers dominate by finding relationships between tokens via attention. Large language models, LLMs. Trained to predict the next token in text. With scale and fine-tuning, they summarize, explain, write code, and hold dialogue. Diffusion models, image/video generation. Learn to remove noise and restore structure. In practice, they synthesize images and video that never existed. A rapid tour of milestones and people. 1950, Alan Turing. Frames a behavioral test for machine intelligence. 1956, John McCarthy. Coins artificial intelligence at the Dartmouth Conference. 1958, Frank Rosenblatt. The perceptron, an early practical neural net. 1986, Rumelhart, Hinton, Williams. Popularize backpropagation for training networks. 2012, AlexNet. Krzyzewski, Sutskever, Hinton. Breakthrough in image recognition. Deep learning era begins. 2017, Attention is all you need, Vaswani et al. The Transformer Architecture. 2018 plus, LLM Revolution. Scaling data and parameters. General purpose models. In parallel, diffusion models take off in generative imaging and video. The takeaway? AI wasn't born in 2023. It's 70 years of ideas plus accessible compute. Progress has a price, responsibility. Core risks include hallucinations and reliability. Models can be confidently wrong. Mitigate with verification, reasoning scaffolds, external knowledge RAG, and domain constraints. Privacy and data handling. What you feed a model may live in logs or training later. Use policy controls, local or embedded models, and anonymization. deepfakes, and trust. Cheap realism, voices, faces, documents. Counter with watermarking, detection, and legal frameworks. Job roles. Routine work shrinks. Professions don't vanish overnight. Skill stacks evolve. Survival favors the adaptable, not just the strong. No built-in morality. Models have no values. People do. So bake values into specs, guardrails, and audits. Where AI already delivers practical value. Content and documents. First drafts for emails, proposals, specs, resumes. Hours saved. Code and automation. IDE hints, tests, script generation, integrations. Analytics. Quick data cuts, anomaly spotting, plain language reports. Customer support. Instant first-line assistance, triage, natural language FAQs. Search and RAG. Answers grounded in your documents, not the whole internet. Gen images/video/voice. Design, prototyping, mockups, storyboards, teasers. Personal assistant. Schedules, notes, and simple explanations of complex topics. A mini playbook for adoption. Identify a routine. Choose an entry point. LLM, RAG/automation. Limit the domain. Embed into the real workflow. Measure saved time and error rates. Replace "Will AI replace people?" with sharper questions. Where can a model add speed without adding risk? How do we wire in quality control? Which skills should I level up to exploit this amplifier fully? AI isn't magic, and it isn't a monster. It's an amplifier. You either amplify yourself and your process, or you amplify chaos. As usual, that's a management choice. AI won't steal your job. The person who knows how to use AI will.